get started. Okay. So any doubts on that? Let me show you one more. How to get this typed value from edit box. How can you fetch this typed value from this edit box? So this is one of the interview question also. How can you get typed value from edit box? How can you get it? Any idea? String typed value equal to, so element dot, and that element only value is there, right? Element dot get attribute of, so which attribute it will be there? Value attribute. So in the value attribute you can find that. Now you can assert if you want this value and this value is same or not. How can you assert it? So assert dot assert equals, so this typed value and this value, both you can compare it. So that's it. So this is the easy way how to write. Okay, so let's run this test case. Done, right? It is working fine. Okay. So let's go and write a next scenario. Next test case. So obviously the before method we have written, right? It will go automatically to this input page. You don't need to worry about that. So the next one we need to take out is, I'll copy this. We don't need everything. I'll just take till this point. So I'll create another test method. So here I'll write fetch all buttons. I'll create a button test. Button test. So you have to click on the button only. Here you have a button. So get this button value and click on the button in the left panel. So everything similar, okay? Sorry. So this one. So here also only this change will come. Button. That's the only change. Button. So I can put button. Yeah. Wait for breadcrumb is common there. You don't need to switch to frames. You just need to basically we need to fetch all the buttons. So these are all the buttons you need to get. How can you get a group of elements? So this is a very important understand. How can you get a group of elements? Remember always, you need to look for each element attributes. First check the attributes, which is common, you look for that. If not there, construct a common XPath or construct a common CSS selector. So that's what we need to say. Let's see first, I'll take this button tag, that's fine. Type button, ID, class, Z button. Okay. Next is style. This doesn't help for us. Next, go to second button. So second button also type is common, ID is there, class is common. But the type we don't have any locator, right? So I can take a class. We have a class. So I found class is common for all the buttons. Check one more. Come to one conclusion. Until you get a clarification, don't take it so grant. Okay. So you take complete confirmation. Okay. So this button is having class same. This button also having class same. So this is a common. So that you can get all the buttons into a collection. So get based on the class, you get all the buttons into a collection. So that's what we are going to do this. So fetch all the buttons. To collection. So here we need to write the class I'm going to use, class name. Based on this class, I'm fetching all the values. So no, I'm just fetching find elements I need to use, not find element. So then list web element. So button list equal to. So this is the how you can fetch. Why it's not showing? So list driver dot find elements by dot class name to correct only. So why it's not showing? List web element. Sometimes this one. Anyhow, let me add a list. Okay, here I'll import. Okay, import java dot util dot list. So here is the list. Just select this. That's it. See, the error should go. It's not going. Why? Maybe we need to restart Eclipse. Yeah, the error is gone. Still anything is wrong. Okay, got it. Got it. What is the reason? So anybody, you got it? So we didn't close the method. So that's the reason. Okay, fine. So now we need to iterate this list, then print each button name. So I'll just write reporter dot log number of buttons. So btn list dot size true. So now use for each loop or for loop, whatever you want. So web element, I'm using for each loop. Next program I'll use normal for loop because the list, right? List you can use anything. So btn colon btn list. And btn dot get the text. So you need to get the text, each button name. So that's it. This is the one test case. Maybe if you want, you can write reporter.log. So end of button test. Okay. Yeah. Good. So let's write the next one. So we'll write all the methods, then we can run the program. Okay, it's done now. So time is over. At least we'll run these two programs. Tomorrow we'll continue rest of the programs. Which one will run now? We are not using priority, right?
Based on the alphabet.
Yeah. So first button, right? Button tweet. So button will run first. See, both test cases are run. All the button names it got. Where is that button names it printed? Yeah, here it is, button names printed, all of them. Okay. So that's it. And tomorrow we'll no, you try, okay? So try writing, same code, checkbox, and try to check all these check boxes, then get this. If you are not able to do, we'll do tomorrow. Okay. Any questions?